Hello guys, this is our inside blog. So guys, today I talking about how to make a Amazon seller account. So guys, this is a very simple and easy way, but you need to have four documents. Okay, first you need to verify your email, then you need to verify your phone number, then you need to uh, uh, add your credit card, then you need to add your tax info. Okay, so guys, too many people don't know how to create Amazon seller account. Okay, so today I show you very simple way. So guys, please, I request follow our video. First need to add your name, email. Okay, so I add my email. When I logging my password, so guys, already coming my verify OTP for Amazon. Okay, see, check. So I already copy, then put and verify. When I verify, he asks me my mobile number. So check how many country have available there. Okay, so I add my Bangladesh mobile number. When I add my mobile number, also coming send my mobile number OTP. Okay, so already coming my mobile number OTP I send, I find, then I submit, then create. So guys, let's see. When I add my email, then when I add my number OTP verify already finished, then he asks me my business location. So I add my business location. Location. Example, I add Bangladesh because I'm from Bangladesh. When I add I need to agree and connection. When I put agree and continue, yeah, first my business information done. Now he asks me my company registration number. So I need to put my company registration number. Again coming my OTP. This is my one-time PIN verify. When I my PIN verify everything, I can select next. Now the second seller information. Check. Already my business information or seller information already done. Now I add my credit card number. So guys, this is 3 option, then 4 I upload my some details. So this video is going to very long, that's why I skip there.